Natural rights are inherent rights believed to belong to all individuals simply by virtue of being human, existing prior to and independent of any government or legal system. International human rights are those universally recognized rights, regardless of nationality, that apply to everyone and are often codified in international treaties and declarations. These rights are often seen as the modern expression of natural rights, evolving to address a wider range of needs and concerns. Natural rights. 1. Definition. Natural rights are considered fundamental, inalienable, and universal, meaning they cannot be taken away or denied. 2. Examples. Life, liberty, and property are often cited as examples of natural rights, as articulated by thinkers like John Locke. And 3. Landmark cases. While natural rights are not typically enforced through specific court cases, as they exist outside of legal systems, they serve as the philosophical basis for many legal and human rights protections. International human rights. 1. Definition. These are rights recognized and protected under international law, often through treaties and declarations adopted by nations. 2. Examples. The right to life, freedom from torture, freedom of expression, and the right to education are all considered international human rights. And 3. Landmark cases. Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, a landmark document adopted by the UN in 1948, outlining fundamental human rights. International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, and International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights, ICESCR. These treaties further elaborate on and codify human rights obligations. European Convention on Human Rights, a regional human rights treaty that provides a mechanism for individuals to seek redress for human rights violations. In essence, natural rights are the philosophical foundation, while international human rights are the legal framework and mechanisms for protecting those fundamental rights on a global scale. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.